Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're going to be constructing your foundation for safe, ethical support. We're unpacking a framework that literally shapes the daily reality of disability support in Australia, the 7 NDIS Code of Conduct principles. Let's explore exactly what's expected of every person operating in this space and why these standards are just absolutely vital. So, did you know that every single NDIS worker and provider is expected to follow the NDIS Code of Conduct to ensure safe, ethical, and high-quality support services? It's true. The Code of Conduct fundamentally helps protect the rights, dignity, well-being, and independence of NDIS participants. Think of it as the ultimate playbook. It sets crystal clear expectations for exactly how workers should behave and deliver support. To make this super easy to digest, we've broken the agenda down into 3 main sections. Section 1 covers rights, integrity, and competence. Section 2 tackles safety, complaints, and privacy. And Section 3 is all about promoting well-being and compliance. All right, let's jump right into Section 1, rights, integrity, and competence. These are our first 3 foundational principles. Key Principle 1 is all about respecting individual rights. Basically, support workers must respect each participant's privacy, culture, choices, and right to make decisions about their own lives. Every person brings a totally unique perspective to the table, right? So by respecting the right to direct their own life, whether that's, honoring dietary traditions or simply knocking before entering a room, you empower them. You're there to support their choices, because at the end of the day, they are the expert on their own life. Moving on to Key Principle 2, act with integrity. Workers should always be honest, professional, and accountable in their actions. Now, what's really interesting here is that integrity really just comes down to consistent honesty. It means maintaining clear professional boundaries, being completely transparent, showing up exactly when you say you will, and taking full responsibility for the support you deliver. That is exactly how you build a lasting foundation of trust. Then we have Key Principle 3, deliver safe and competent supports. This means workers must provide services safely, maintain appropriate skills, and follow organizational procedures. You really can't deliver competent support if you aren't up to speed with the latest practices. And remember, organizational rules, they aren't just annoying red tape. They're actually carefully designed safety nets meant to protect both you and the participant from harm. Moving right along, we hit Section 2, safety, complaints, and privacy. This covers Principles 4, 5, and 6. Key Principle 4 is absolutely crucial. Prevent violence, abuse, neglect, exploitation, and misconduct. Why? Because every participant has the right to feel safe and protected from harm. This highlights a direct relationship between their fundamental right to safety and your explicit duty to prevent any harm. It's a heavy responsibility for sure, but it is totally central to ethical service. You are the frontline safeguard. Next up is Key Principle 5, respond to concerns and complaints. The golden rule here is that concerns should be taken seriously and addressed appropriately. When a participant or their family raises a concern, please don't view it as a negative thing. Actually, scratch that. View it as a massive opportunity to improve. Listen actively, document the concern, and follow your organization's framework so it gets resolved quickly and fairly. Then we arrive at Key Principle 6, respect privacy and confidentiality. Put simply, personal information must be handled responsibly and securely. A participant's physical safety has to be perfectly matched by the responsible handling of their sensitive data. You're going to access private stuff, medical records, personal histories, you name it. Respecting privacy means locking that information down. It's never shared inappropriately, and it's only ever discussed with folks who have a legitimate professional need to know. And that brings us to Section 3, promoting well-being and compliance. We're looking at Principle 7 and the overall impact of this entire framework. Our final mandate, Key Principle 7, is to promote participant well-being. This means every single interaction should support the participant's goals, independence, and quality of life. Promoting well-being isn't just some passive activity, It requires you to actively look for ways to support their specific ambitions. Whether you're helping with daily tasks or getting them out into the community, your focus has got to be on making a truly positive contribution to their overall lived experience. So what does this all mean when we put it together? Well, understanding the NDIS Code of Conduct helps create safer services, stronger participant outcomes, and greater compliance confidence. When you put all 7 of these principles into practice, you definitely aren't just ticking a compliance box. You're elevating the entire standard of care. You're creating an ecosystem where participants absolutely thrive, and providers can operate with total confidence. Of course, understanding the code is just step one. Implementing it, that's where the real magic happens. You can learn practical NDIS responsibilities and compliance requirements with the NDIS Code of Conduct and Worker Orientation Provider Implementation Training from Australian Compliance Training.